Hi, in this video we're going to have a look at an introduction to creating functions. And a function is a reusable block of code that we can use, and we can use it over and over again. Now just quickly, here on the stage I've created a new Actionscript 3 file. I've created a layer with my background, which is the grass on the ground there. Created a simple stick figure man who I've converted to a symbol, and made a simple motion tween where he runs up and down and jumps all over the grass. And I have my actions layer. Now my actions layer, you will notice I've inserted a keyframe at frame 50 where the animation actually ends, and I'll show you why I've done that in just a moment. So firstly I'm just going to run the animation by hitting Control Enter, and you'll see my greatly drawn guy running over the cliff, jumping and continuing on and on as it loops. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create our first function. I'm going to create the most basic and simple function there is. I'm going to tell this animation to stop. When my man gets to the end of the grass, I want him to stop. I don't want it to loop. That's why in my actions layer here, I've created a separate frame on frame 50. So this way, in this frame, I'm going to click. You'll notice that the man is at the end of the animation where I want him. I'm going to right click, go to actions, and type in my first function, which is stop, open close parentheses, end statement. Now the stop function will stop everything that's happening in this on frame 50. I press Control Enter, and you'll notice now that once my character gets off screen at frame 50, the animation stops. So that's the simple, most basic use of a function. We're also going to look at a goto command. So you can use this for linking, and we'll actually have a proper look at linking a little bit later. What I'm going to say in this one is, just so we can see it work, I'm going to say when my scrub head gets to frame 50, I want to go to and stop. I'll just say frame 10 so we can see the difference. So I'm going to type go to, capital A, ND, and capital S. Remember, we start the new words with capitals, no spaces. So go to and stop turns blue, and I'm going to say in my parentheses here, frame number 10. I'm going to press Control Enter, and we'll notice our man running, and when he gets to frame 50, it then goes to and stops at frame 10. If I change that to frame 40 and run it, he appears at frame 40. So those are two simple functions, the stop command, which you will use quite a lot, and the go to and stop, which you can use for linking and other features such as that.